Hello everyone. Today our engineers will show you how to set autofocus for 3D machines. Here, both can be set.
Move up. Move down. Here, move up. Move down. Use the ruler, measure the distance. Like this is 240. If we want to set here to autofocus, click this, hold. That's okay. Move up. This red pot is autofocus from here. From here. Click auto. Okay. Measure the distance. 240. That's okay. You can move up from here. And here, click auto. That's okay. If we want to set another autofocus point, like this, this is 265 millimeter. Hold, save, that's okay. Move up. Click auto. Mirror. That's okay.
Subscribe us to see more working videos.